Hey guys, this is your boy Yesterday Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. Okay. So without any further ado, guys, today I'm gonna inspect the fans. As you can see, all my fans, my bottom fans, side fans, as you can see, there are 3 of them, and this one as well. They do not spin, okay, but they do light up, but they do not spin. So now but my liquid, they do spin. All right, yeah, my liquid some are right. My problem is with these DS fans. Why is it do not spins? Maybe the motor is dead, or maybe there's problem with the hub. Okay, so I've made a video the other day. Some people say to check the wiring. Okay, so look at the side right now. So the side, so here comes the power. Okay, it goes in here. Yeah, so this it does lit up. As you can see, there's a blue LED light. What I'm gonna do, luckily I have like 2 spare fans, so I'm gonna try them. Alright, so I have like 2 brand new DS fans and their LED strips. Alright, so I'm going to try one of them. I got another hub as well. This is brand new. Okay, so you can see the installation notes. These fans, they are 6-pin connectors. Okay, and right here, guys, it says the DS hub box, like 4-pin LED strip connectors. So this is a 4-pin LED strip. Here's a strip connectors. There's a full strip. 6-pin fans connectors. Okay, it says right here, fan 1 connect up to 9 fans. LED 1 and 2 connect the LED strip. That means this one, it will go into the LED at 1 and 2 right here. Okay, 1 and 2. And I'm just gonna show you guys right here. It says power connect with the power cable, so that means the SATA. Okay, so this it feeds from your power supply. Okay, this is a SATA, and it says right here blue light up when it's working. When it says it has 4 pieces of magnets on the back in the 4 corners. Okay, I guess right here there's 1 magnet, 1 here, 4 corners, and 1 as well here. So we can see, yeah, it does stick like that. Okay, let's see if it sticks or not. Yeah, it does stick. I don't understand it. I mean, like, I did all the connection right here. So this connection, so these are the 3 pins. It goes in like this, in here, in this 3 thing. Yeah, and there are like 3 of them. I did all of that, but still the fans won't spin. The fans, guys, it does lit up, it does turn blue, whatever color. Unfortunately, guys, I lost the remote control. Otherwise I could try to press some button to try change the light or try to turn on the fans. Okay, let me reconnect this. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab another. These are brand new. Okay, I have only 2 of them. Like, I'm gonna test this on, let's say, as you can see, you can connect up to fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then this. So I'm gonna hook this into the fan 8, and then I'm gonna see if this works or not. If this brand new DS fans works, if it spins or not. Okay, we shall see. Let's give it a try. So the PC is already on, as you can see, guys. Right here. So these are 6 pin. So I'm just gonna put it in fan 8. That means it does get power. Okay, I'm inserting and ejecting. It does get power, but it does not spin the motor. Alright, so as you can see, I push it all the way in the fan 8 right here. So right here in fan 8, but yeah, it does not spin, guys. It does not. It should be spinning. So I did connect it to right on top right here. You see this? Not in the 12V but in the 5V. Alright guys, so just to prove to you guys, I tested DS fan, so now I'm gonna test another brand. Okay, another fan brand. Alright, so this is up here. Alright, this is up here and it's still 2, 4, 6 pin connectors. So I'm gonna insert it. It does not spin neither. I tested 2 brands, like the DS fan brand and up here brand as well. Take 3. Okay. Alright, so what I'm about to try right here is my another DS hub. Alright, so this is the same thing. Okay, same thing. I'm just gonna grab this, both of these fans, like this is a brand new DS fans. This is up here fan which I pulled from another PC. I had this like for 3 years. So I connect them into fan 4, fan 6. You can put in whatever of these. Okay, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna hook it and see what will happen. Will it spins? I'm just gonna hook it anywhere, and boom, guys, boom. What do you see, guys? This is the new DS hub box. Boom, voila, it does spin. Problem fixed. All right, this the up here fan. Yeah, this one too does spins. I'm gonna pull all of these fans. So there's 7 fans. 7. I'm gonna test them on this new DS hub box. Hey, what's up everyone? So it's me once again, take 5, or maybe it's take 4, I don't know. Alright, so now I can rule out this. This one is a defective. Okay, when I can hear something inside is clicking, a clicking sound. Okay, press the power. So matter of truth, I'm gonna push the power button and we shall see if all my existing 7 fans, okay, 3 at the bottoms, 1 at the rear, 3 at the side right here, okay, 3. All right, so 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, boom, voila, guys.